Morning, students. As in the morning we have discussed in the group regarding the definition of noun and kinds of noun, regarding the definition of sentence. So today we'll do the definition regarding noun and its kinds. So you have to buy this book. I have told you already, we'll do all the grammar work from this book, Pilot A1 English Grammar, Composition and Translation. So you have to buy this book from any bookshop. So as I told you, we'll do the definition of noun. So in the previous classes you have already learned about it. Means the name of person, place or thing is called noun. Noun. The person name will be Mubin and Samreen. Okay, and also in the place will be Lahore, Pakistan, and thing will be book, dish, milk and water. So any person, place or thing name is called noun. So we have to do what will be the kinds of noun. Kinds of nouns are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Okay, 5 kinds are there of noun. So you have to memorize the name first. You should know the name of the kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. And in the 7th class the teachers have discussed with you already regarding it. So firstly I'll do the common noun. Common noun means the name or that can applied. The name that can apply to any person, any place or anything is called common noun. जब हम किसी चीज़ का नाम, शख्स, जगह या चीज़ का कोई नाम नहीं रखते, जस्ट हम कहते हैं सिटी, कंट्री, मैन, फ्रेंड, knife, book. So these kind of things can be common. So it is the name that all men, all places, all things share in common. Means जब हम किसी चीज़ का नाम नहीं रखते, just कहते हैं city, country, book, man. So there is no name of these things, places or persons. So these things can be common noun. But when we say the name of person, place or thing of particular thing, जैसे the name of a particular person, a particular place or a particular thing is called proper noun. किसी ख़ास या मखसूस शख्स, जगह, चीज़, नाम को proper noun कहते हैं. जैसे person name हो गया अफजाल, लुबना, ठीक है. प्लेस नेम हो गया लाहौर, पाकिस्तान. एंड थिंग नेम हो गया द होली कुरान, यानी बुक नेम होली कुरान आ गया. जब किसी जगह, चीज़ या शख्स का हम नाम रख देते हैं, इट विल बिकम प्रॉपर नाउन. And then collective noun, a word that denotes a group of persons or collection of similar thing is called collective noun. Means class. Class means जिसमें बहुत सारे बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, उसमें 10-15 बच्चे क्लास में, उसको क्लास कहते हैं. क्राउड मीन्स बहुत सारे लोगों का रश, उन सारे लोगों को मिला के क्या बनता है, क्राउड. एंड क्राउड विल बी कलेक्टिव नाउन. आर्मी में बहुत सारे सोल्जर्स होते हैं, इसलिए वी हैव गिवन अ वन नेम आर्मी. सो आर्मी विल बी कलेक्टिव नाउन. फ्लॉक मीन्स जैसे परिंदों का एक गोल झुंड उड़ रहा होता है, तो उनको कहते हैं फ्लॉक ऑफ शीप, फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स, ठीक है. एंड बंच, गुच्छा, बंच ऑफ फ्लावर्स, यानी फूल, बहुत ज़्यादा फूल जो होते हैं वो बंच कहलाते हैं. तो बंच जो हो गया वो होगा कलेक्टिव नाउन. ओके. एंड देन मटीरियल नाउन, the word that denotes the name of substance is called material noun. Substance or material things cannot be counted, that can only be measured. Means water, milk, sugar, steam. These are the material nouns. आप देखते हैं कि पानी को हम गिन नहीं सकते, 1 2 3 करके गिन नहीं सकते. पानी को हम नाप सकते हैं कि इतने लीटर पानी है, इतने लीटर मिल्क है, ठीक है. और शुगर को भी हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. वी कैन नॉट काउंट द शुगर बिकॉज इट इज़ काउंटलेस. और all things which are countless, we cannot be counted, that can only be measured, are called material noun. Material noun examples are water, milk, sugar, steam, air, ink, silver, gold, glass, paper, stone, tin. Okay. And last one, we have to means understand, you have to understand it very carefully. Abstract noun means material noun, collective, common noun. You have little bit sense and information regarding it already, but abstract noun is new for you because some students feel difficulty to understand it. So please listen to me very carefully. A word that denotes some quality, state or activity is called abstract. Means if you are honest, you have the quality of honesty. If you are brave, you have the quality of bravery. If you are kind, so you have the quality of kindness. If any person is cruel, so that person will have the quality of cruelty. And if someone is wise, so that person will have the quality of wisdom. Means these words are showing the quality of a person. So that is why these words can be or is called abstract nouns. Honesty, bravery, kindness, cruelty, wisdom. These are the quality and these are the abstract noun. And then the turn of state, because abstract noun means some quality, state or activity. So quality I have told you already. State means halat, means if we are in a state of poverty, if we are means happy, so we are in a state of pleasure. If somebody is slave, so that person will be in a state of slavery. If any person is free, so that person can feel the state of freedom. Okay. If you are sick, so you are in a state of sickness. So these words are belong to state and are abstract noun too. Poverty, pleasure, slavery, freedom and sickness. And last but not the least, activity, because I have told you that abstract noun denotes some quality, state or activity. So last will be activity. Activity means कि आप आप क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या कहाँ जा रहे हैं, यानी जो भी आप काम करते हैं वो आपकी एक्टिविटी होगी. अराइवल मीन्स किसी का आना. डिपार्चर किसी का जाना. लाफ्टर हंसना. थेफ्ट चोरी. एंड फाइट विल बी द एक्टिविटी of a person, place or thing. Means when we describe any quality, state or activity, it will be called abstract noun. So hopefully you have understood the noun and its kinds. 5 kinds are there already: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Okay, so you have to write down these definitions on your notebooks and learn by heart, and learn all the definition by heart. Thank you.